Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up NFC and contactless payments on TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. To use the NFC technology itself, you simply have to enable it in the shortcut menu, which you can access by swiping down the control center, then expanding this list, and finding your NFC icon in here. Most probably it will be grayed out, so to enable it, just tap on it. And if you don't see it here, tap the three dot icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Edit Shortcut Switch. Then you'll find your NFC icon somewhere right here. And to add it to your shortcuts menu, simply tap the plus icon next to it. Now, in terms of contactless payments, you're gonna have to set up the wallet on your device. We can actually find a wallet shortcut right here in the shortcuts menu, and if you tap on it, you'll get redirected to Google Wallet application. Tap Install Wallet right here with Google Play Store. Then wait until this application is installed. Open it, and now simply add a new card to it. Allow it to send you notifications. Tap plus at the bottom, select payment card. Okay, as you can see, we already have one card which we can use for contactless payments, but we can add a new one. Then you can scan your card using the camera of your device. You can scan it from both sides and let your smartphone read the values automatically. But if you want to enter them manually, you can always also do that by tapping at the bottom and entering your card number, expiration date, and security code. Then also enter the address, tap accept, and wait until your card is added to Google Wallet. And having the NFC enabled, if you simply lay your smartphone against some terminal or any other NFC device, it will open the card menu and you'll be able to choose the card to pay with and pay with it wirelessly. Contactlessly using your smartphone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.